everybody. Today we're going to be reading Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Hudson, don't you guys push that button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Hudson! It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Go ahead, you guys. Push the button. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Push it again, you guys. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. One. Push it twice. 1, 2. Ack! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push, 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 push. Uh-oh. What do you guys notice? There's not just one anymore. Look how many monsters there are on the page. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake, 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 shake. Almost a little more. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get back to normal. Scratch, 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 scratch. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. You guys. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. All right, you guys, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for another story time with Lisa.